I chose OTC because it's really close to where I went to high school in the first place. Another nice thing was that in high school I did this thing called the A+ program, which pays for 2 years of community college or a trade school or something like that for an associate's degree. And so finding some place that I could apply that to was really important to me so I could take advantage of that.
So I started teaching here in the year about 2005, and I enjoy the students a lot. That's one of my main reasons I come back and teach. Plus, we have some fantastic colleagues I get to work with in the physical science department.
So I chose to pursue chemistry because I really connected with it sort of at the beginning of high school, fell in love with it for some reason, and so I took it for the next 2 years of high school, and I just wanted to keep pursuing it as I went along.
So why should a student come to OTC versus a 4-year? We definitely have class size advantage, where a lot of places are going to be hundreds of people in the classroom at a time versus we max out at 24 in a class, either lecture and lab. And so just because we have these smaller class sizes, the instructors are more available to them. We know who they are. We'll know them by name instead of just another person in the course.
So not only do I think my expectations have been met, they've been exceeded in a lot of ways. It was my first or second day in my chemistry class this semester when my instructor took me aside and asked me if I was interested in tutoring in chemistry. It was like, I've never been at a place where so quickly like the instructors cared about the people who were there. And so it was really nice to have a whole bunch of very passionate instructors who actually cared about my success.
It makes me happy to see that students are getting what we're offering to them. I think a lot of students come in, they're scared of chemistry or the difficulty of it or the math that comes with it. But if they will invest the time, work with us, and invest the time on their own, then we can get a lot. And so we have sent a lot of students off to doctoral programs, either in chemistry or other areas.
One thing that I think is sort of especially important for everybody to know is that there are a number of resources on campus that are really great, whether you need help learning or you just want to build some sort of sense of community. My advice for a student looking at pursuing chemistry at OTC would be to really approach the department with an open mind. I had been expecting a number of sort of positive things, but I didn't expect this many, so allow it to exceed your expectations.